Welcome back to Mile High Woodcraft and Good Vibes Van. Folks, hey, I just want to tell you that the farmer's market, it was a success. And if you're on the fence about figuring out whether or not you want to do a farmer's market and whether it can be profitable, I say go for it. Check out a little bit of this footage. We'll come back and we'll discuss a few pointers. 6 in the morning, getting it all set up. Tell you a little bit about the little setup we got. This is our booth here. How you doing? All right, as you can see, our booth setup's fairly simple. It's, you know, we ain't got a lot of products and stuff like that, but it's pretty simple. It's easy enough and it works. It's classy, at least I think it is. Any of y'all out there, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of our setup, any tips, tricks, or any pointers that you can give. All ears, baby. But what I learned some things about like pricing. Going off, you know, because I have an Etsy shop and everything. You ain't doing Etsy prices at the farmer's market. Maybe on the high-end farmers markets and stuff like that. Sure, you can get away with that sort of thing. But the farmers markets around Colorado Springs and through the I-25 corridor here, it's a little bit on the, now there's plenty of upscale areas, don't get me wrong. But it's more on the reasonable price for the, you know, I don't know, common folk, not your high-end artsy folks. Now they have the arts and crafts fairs and stuff like that, but this ain't that. This is a good farmer's market with a lot of different vendors on a lot of different booths for different things, different crafts, different arts, pastries, you name it. But my prices, I've made a lot more reasonable. You know, I build a bench, let's say I have roughly 35 in it. I'm selling it for 65. I'm not out here, you know, I'm not trying to hurt the business. I'm not trying to downplay woodworking and stuff like that. But I'm charging I get at least 35 an hour for my time, and with minimalistic materials that goes into it, there's no need to charge an arm and a leg for a beautiful piece of artwork. Functional, that is, you know. That's my own personal opinion, to each his own. I'm out here to make money and create beautiful, functional works of art. And if that steps on some toes, I'm sorry, you know. But then again, am I? No, I'm not. You don't pay my bills. Now, if you want to pay my bills and lay right here in the bed beside me, my wife, and my dog and take care of everything, yeah, still ain't gonna work. But hey, there's gonna be haters, there's gonna be naysayers. I'm building a business for the reasonable, common working man, and that's all there is to it. I do my best, and I think the audio on this is gonna be messed up. I see my lips moving, and I did not set the timing on this, so hopefully it's not too bad and you can get it. But hey, booth setup, make it simple, bring your trash bags, you know, be self-sufficient. Be prepared for rain, be prepared for wind. Make sure you weigh down your tents. There was a couple I've seen some tents that haven't been weighted down. My first time ever going to a farmer's market to go actually scout this one out, I had to grab a lady's tent because she didn't have nothing on there and the wind picked it up, and those things are like rockets. You know, it's not worth it to have to pay for someone else's things or your own, you know, or risk someone else getting killed, hurt, a child or something like that, because the farmer's market is filled with children. So be mindful, be careful, follow the rules. It's very simple. Met some really cool people. I've met a fella, to be honest with you, I can't recall your name. If you're watching this, sorry. But he's from Royal Crest Milk, and well, they do have a whole bunch of other things, but super cool fella, had a vending booth there. And a lady with the dip company beside me, they do all kinds of things. Super cool people. The managers of the venue, absolutely great. Couldn't ask for better people. Easy to get along with, and they offer tips and tricks. Some of mine, I had my booth set up to where you could actually walk in under the tent to get out of the hot sun and such. I made quite a few sales right from the get-go, probably maybe 2 or 3 an hour, I guess you could say. I mean, I think it's a lot, but it worked out really well. And then I was given a tip, and I noticed everyone else's booths, a lot had their stuff to the front of the booth. So after listening to a tip, I moved my things to the front. It didn't pan out, but it was at the end of the show, and you could clearly see that there was a storm just right on the horizon coming over the mountaintops. So no harm, no foul. Hey, I adjust, move on accordingly, and that's all you can do. But let me tell you, it's a blast. Don't ride the fence, just go out and do it. Believe in yourself, believe in your product. Don't spend so much time obsessing over the little details. As you can see, I have a small sign that I wrote. Looks like a child wrote it because I'm not very good at drawing. Good at building, but I ain't good at drawing anymore. So, and it worked. It worked out great. I let the products basically speak for themselves. I stand up front, didn't bring a chair. A lot of people bring chairs, and they sat down through the whole thing. After watching some pointers and some videos, because that's where I got most of my information from, was they were sitting down and they would just kind of talk out to the guests that was walking through. My personal experience, I found it better from being in the restaurant industry and such to be upfront, be personal, give the gab, just I'm gonna talk somebody's ear off, and I'm gonna sell them a cutting board. I'm gonna sell a lady with white gloves, ketchup popsicle. You know, it don't matter. It's about making money, enjoying myself, and getting the experience, meeting new people, making that connection that we all have longed for the last freaking over a year now, going on 2 years with this pandemic crap. So don't be discouraged. You can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. So tune in next time. I'm going to be building some more projects, some totally different things this time, and back at the farmer's market on Saturday. Folks, thanks for coming along. Good Vibes Van, Mile High Woodcrafts. If you haven't subscribed yet, you like the content, check it out. Hit the subscribe button, mash that notification button so you don't miss a video when they come out, and give us a thumbs up every once in a while. Throw some comments down if you got any questions, concerns, anything. Hey, I'll share them. Any knowledge I have, that's what I'm here to do, and I'm here to gain anything, any insight, criticism. Just be constructive. Don't be a dick in the comments. Criticism, we welcome it here. But if you're going to be a dick and argue with someone over semantics or bull, save it. Save it. We're good. So, thanks for coming along, folks. As always, be classy, be cool, be creative, be yourself. All right, till the next time, guys.